We're going to practice one of the big methods. Spinning earth, spinning sky.
I am the drum and bass father, golly like Gaza. Don't wear Gucci, don't wear Prada. When I have sex I like to push it in harder. Strangle the bitch with an iPhone charger. Enough of them think that the big bottom larger. What goes around comes around like karma. Fuck the president, fuck Barack Obama. Or they give a fuck about his guns and armor. I'm addictive like Candy Crush Saga. See me with a big split and a glass of carver. Bigging up this kid and badness, lava. I don't give a fuck, I'm a drum and bass barer. I ain't got no animals, but I'm a farmer. Traumatic's got the harvest of marijuana. I was in a hotel room with one freaky bitch. She was masturbating with a banana. I'm the number one challenger, I'm like a football manager. Annihilate then damage ya, then cannibalize and savage ya. Drinking blood like Dracula, I'm amazing and spectacular. When it's late don't ring my phone, send me a message, I'll get back to ya. When you hear me a badness back to back, make you wanna give your mama a happy slap. Turn that into an unhappy chat. I'll fuck you up like a drama crack. Come out of nowhere like a heart attack. Don't talk shit, don't start your crap. You know I don't know what I mean, yeah. I put them on the mic like whoa. DEV, I run the show. Check out my lyrical dirty flow. I get about like a dirty hoe. I spit my bars at a fast tempo. When I'm on grime, I spit them slow. When I drop my bars in the rave, you know that the roof is gonna blow. I got the lyrical magical flow. DEV, I'm running the show. You might hear me on the drums and bass, and you might hear me on the 140. I got the lyrical magical flow. DEV, I'm running the show. You might hear me on the drums and bass, and you might hear me on the 140.
I'm ready to I'm bad, you know it. Now it's time for me to show it. I'm bad, you know it. I'm bad, you know it. Now it's time for me to show it. I'm bad, you know it. You're immature, immature, premature. Try to see empty badness with lyrics below. You're immature, immature, premature. Try come to see empty badness with lyrics below. I might knock you out like Prince Azim. Coming to America, I'm a king. Alien from outer space. Come to Earth to run the place. Got my gas, I got my mace. 9mm in my waist. Time to pop you in your face. Time to pop you in your face. I might knock you out like Prince Azim. Coming to America, I'm a king. Alien from outer space. Come to Earth to run the place. Got my gas, I got my mace. 9mm in my waist. Time to pop you in your face.
I am a lyrical murderer. I'll take out a murder ya. Don't know your lyrics, don't know your flow. Trust me, fam, I ain't heard of ya. Could've been from Mexico, could've been from suburbia. My lyrics will keep disturbing ya. Here's one that I made earlier. My style you can't match it. Light man up like a matchstick. Where's his head gone? I separated it, then reattached it. Cause I told you already, I'm still like Jason and Freddy. More heavy out than a fat man's belly. Come to your house and Jackman's telly. When I'm on the mic I move like this. When I'm on the mic I move like that. When I'm on the mic I move like this. And I move like that. Cause we're bubbling fat, it's a DE element on the attack. Under the map, everybody move your head to this one. Could've been Chinese, white or black. When I'm on the mic I move like this. When I'm on the mic I move like that. When I'm on the mic I move like this. And I move like that. Cause we're bubbling fat, it's a DE element on the attack.
We're going to practice one of the big methods. Spinning earth,